What's good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for much more updates. So guys, in today's video, this is the day 4 of our airdrop hunt, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to position for LifeNetworks and also this Maxsee airdrop. The both airdrop are very easy to do, so there's nothing to stress you there. I'm going to be walking you through. So let's just start with Maxsee. I'll be dropping the link to get started in this video description. So what you have to do is you just have to register with the link. Then you have to sign in with your X account. Go to tax center, complete all the social tax, then claim your daily drop. Okay, so what you just have to do is just click on the link to register. So then let me just go ahead to open it in my Chrome browser. You can use your Kiwi browser, you can use any browser you want to use. So what I need to do first is I need to sign with my Twitter account. So I'll just click on the sign in with X. So it's loading. Let me just wait a little bit for this to display. Okay, so now I'm already in the dashboard, and for me to claim, I can click on this claim your airdrop to see the amount of allocation I'm having. Let's just go over to this profile here, that is this referral. For you to invite your friend, just click on this get my referral link. You'll be getting up to 5% commission on all the reward your referred friends. And now just coming over to this wallet now, so you see the amount of C you are having. So you're going to see it here, the amount of C you are having. So this page is for the community, while the center button is just for you to complete the task. So this is where you will come in every day. So we see the daily drop, you have to come here every day to complete this task. So just click on this try your luck for free. Okay, so for the first time I won 50 Maxsee points. I'll come back in 24 hours time to start another task. So we have to complete all these tasks, follow them on X. I'll click on this place to follow them. Okay, so I'll just click on this follow. I'm already following them. Once I've done that, I'll come back here. I can just reload this. You see that the task is successful. I need to join their Telegram channel too. Once you've done that, just reload. You'll be given 400 points. You see I need to join first and also join their TG group. So let's just click on that. Let's go ahead to join their Telegram group. Back here and click on this reload. Okay, it has been successful. Invite your friends to get 800 Maxsee points. Invite your friends to get 2000 Maxsee points. So this is another way of you increasing the amount you are having. So you have to be coming here every day to perform the daily tasks. You just need to go ahead to invite my friend. I'll click on this share to copy my link and start inviting my friend to increase the amount of C I'm having. Okay, so for me to check the amount I'm having now, I just have to click on this claim your airdrop. Then you see the amount I'm having. The amount you'll be given will be based on the performance of your Twitter account. So you see the amount I'm having. So I can just go ahead to click on this view in wallet to check the amount of C I'm having. So you see the amount of C I'm having. This is the amount of C I'm having presently. So you can just go ahead to complete more tasks to increase the amount of C you are having. So guys, the next airdrop we are positioning for is the LifeNetworks, and this project should be ending very soon. So I want us to position very well for this project. So you see the LifeNetworks here, you have to register. It's very simple for you to do. Then sign in with your Google. You have to complete all the tasks. Then input this code to get 0.5 credits. It's going to be added to your balance. Then do daily check-in every day. So I'll just click on the link. You can use Kiwi browser, but I'm just using Chrome. Okay, so for me to change the language, I'll just click on this place to change the language. So once I click on it, I'll select English. So you just go ahead to register, click on this start now and earn reward. Then you have to select start with Google account. So you can just go ahead to select the Google account you want to use to create your account. Then your account will be created. So you see the amount of end points have been credited. So you see 1000 points. And like I said, you have to be doing daily check-in. So just do daily check-in. 5p points has been added. So when you scroll down to here, see the daily mission you have to complete. So just go ahead to swipe all these, go ahead to swipe them. Okay, so you can just swipe them to the end. Then you see that it's analyzing the tags already. Okay, then I'll be giving 100 points for this. You see 100 points has been added. I already completed all this filling one-time questionnaire, visit their website, and also complete their social media mission. So for this, You have to connect your Twitter account. Already connected my Twitter account. You have to make sure you connect your Twitter account to increase the points you're having, and also follow them on Twitter, which reads like reply to live on network exposed. Then when you scroll down, you also be seeing this mission. So this is another way of you increasing the amount you are having. So this is just you joining daily missions. So you just need to go ahead to post this on Twitter, so you can post it directly to your connected Twitter account. So I'll be getting 300 points for that. So let me just scroll up. You see the amount of points I'm having now. When I scroll down, then I want to post something like, okay, the theory of my grinding on Life Network. So I can just post this now. So once I post this, okay, I need to re-authenticate my Twitter account. Okay, I already done that. I'll change this language from Korean to English. So I'll just scroll down. Then I'll just see type in the theory of my grinding. Then I'll just post this. So 300 points. You see, tweet posted successfully. 300 points has been added. You see, 300 points has been added. For you to increase the amount of points you're having, so you also need to invite your friend. Make sure you guys invite your friend. So you see the link. Just guys to copy the link here and start inviting your friend. Registering for this airdrop for the first time, you're going to be given 0.5 credits. So just going to input the invitation code there. So then you see that the amount will be added to your credit. So I'll just go back to the invitation code. So what we'll just do is I'll just paste in the invitation code, and I'll just confirm. So you see referral code has been registered. So you have to make sure you register a referral code. You see that 0.5 credit has been added. So per every referral that makes use of your invitation code, $0.5 will be added. The period is from October 17 to November 19. So it's just like a 1 month project, a 1 month airdrop. So make sure you position well for this airdrop. So guys, that will be all for this video. And when you're signing in, you have to sign in with your email address. So just make sure you sign in with your email address. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be updating us about these projects. And remember to perform daily check-in every day. So this is my third day of joining this airdrop. So guys, bye guys, and stay tuned for much more updates.